Hi, I'm Teddy Brigham, and I would like to introduce you to golf imagery for the 5.5-inch course. Golf is played mainly on a 5.5-inch course, the space between your ears. And since its time, there is truth that has been documented by many people that can literally transform the way we think, act, and react. And this is by using a powerful technique called visualization. We're going to recall or create images of perfect golf shots. What we see in our mind today creates our future selves. That golf is very much dependent on your mental state. Can you imagine where the golf world would be today if the mind was developed from that time to our present?